Hello students, I hope all are fine and safe. Okay, today's class we are going to discuss exercise 5.2 of chapter lines and angles. Before that, just we have quick recap about the angles formed by parallel lines and transversal. Look at this figure. We are having two parallel lines. They are A and B. C is a transversal. Intersect A line at this point, that is we can name that is O, and B line at P. O and P are intersecting points, that is meeting points of the transversal C. Got it? When a transversal which intersect two parallel lines, there are 8 angles formed. Okay, that 8 angles are classified into 5 categories. That is, first one, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, corresponding angles, alternate angles, and co-interior angles. These are all we have studied before the holidays. Before starting the exercise, we will recall all the properties, then it will be easy to solve the problems in the exercise. Got it? Yes. Now this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are represent the angle name, that is angle vertex. Okay, 1 and 4 are linear pair of angles. There are 4 pairs, 2 and 3, 5 and 8, 6 and 7. 4 pairs of linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angle property is supplementary. That is, sum of any two linear pair of angle is supplementary. That is, angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. That is first category. Second one, vertically opposite angles. Just opposite, 2 opposite 4, 1 opposite 3, 6 opposite 8, 5 opposite 7. It is also 4 pairs. Okay, yeah, its property, vertically opposite angles are equal. Third category, alternate interior angles. Interior angles in the sense inside the parallel lines. Inside the parallel lines we are having two pairs of angle that should be alternate side of the transversal, that is 3 and 5. Alternate side of the transversal, that is opposite side of the transversal. Got it? 3 and 5 is one pair of alternate interior angles. 2 and 8 are another pair of alternate interior angles. Its property is that alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, next, fourth category, corresponding angles. Before that, one more is, that is alternate exterior angles. It means outside of the parallel lines. Yeah, and also opposite side of the transversal. Which are the angles? 4 and 6. Look at the angles. These two are outside the parallel line, so it is called alternate exterior angle, and also opposite of the transversal. 1 and 7 are another pair. 2 pairs are inside, 2 pairs are outside. This also totally how many pairs of alternate angles are there? 4 pairs. Got it? Linear pair, vertically opposite angle, and alternate angles. These three we are having 4 pairs. 2 are remaining. That is, one is that corresponding angles above the parallel line, same side. Okay, above the parallel line, and at the same time it should be same side of the transversal. See, 1 and 5. Look at the angle position. 1 is above the parallel line A, 5 is above the parallel line 5. So this is the identification mark. Okay, above the parallel line, 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. That also same side, that is right hand side of the transversal. Got it? Similarly, left hand side of the transversal and also above the parallel line, which are the angles 4 and 8. So 1 and 5, 4 and 8 are two pairs of corresponding angles. Its property also equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Got it? Similarly, below the parallel lines, 2 and 6, 3 and 7. Right hand side one pair, left hand side another pair. Totally 4 pair of corresponding angles are there. Corresponding angles are equal is the property of that angle. Last one, co-interior angle. Co-interior angle, that is same side of the transversal at the same time inside the parallel line. Inside the parallel line 2 and 5. Got it? Same side of the transversal, that is right hand side of the transversal. This side, left hand side of the transversal. 3 and 8. 2 and 5. These two are co-interior angles. Got it? Yeah, co-interior angles also supplementary. That is angle 2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Understand? Yes. If it is opposite, alternate side of the transversal, it is called a alternate angles. Got it? These are alternate angles, but 2 and 5 are co-interior angles. Yeah, you should know the differentiation between alternate angles and co-interior angles. Correct, children? Yeah, using these properties, we are going to solve the problems in the exercise 5.2. First question, state the property that is used in each of the following statements. The question, we should name the property. Okay, first one, look at the figure. There are two parallel lines, A and B. These two are parallel line. Another two lines are transversal. Here we are having two transversal, but angles mentioned only for one transversal. Got it? So we have to use these angle points to answer these questions. That is, we should name the property. First one, if A parallel to B, the A and B are what? Name of these two parallel lines. Got it? Then angle A equal to angle 5. First, we should see the position of angle 1 and 5. This is the position of angle 1 and 5. How it is? It is lies on above the parallel line. Above the parallel line, is it? At the same time, same side of the transversal. So which type of angle it is? Yeah, they are given, they are equal. One more, its property also given. 1 and 5 are equal. So which type of angle we should find? Which type it is? Corresponding angles. Got it? Yeah. We are having 5 categories in that: vertically opposite angle, alternate angles, corresponding angles. These three are having equal properties. Yes, they are corresponding angles. First one answer, we should write corresponding angles. That's all. Yeah, you will have the solution, printout solution. I'll show in the next slide. Just listen the explanation. Next, the second part, if angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Look at the figure, angle 4 and 6. Which position it is? Angle 4, angle 6. Yeah, these are alternate side of the transversal. So you can say this what? Alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Is this given here? Yes. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. They are given equal property also. Therefore, surely we can say these two are alternate angles. Okay. Third one, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these two angles are 180 degree. We are having two categories. Which are the angles are supplementary? One is linear pair, another one is co-interior angles. Which category these two? We'll see the figure. Angle 4 plus 5. Angle 4 and 5. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, look at the figure 4 and 5 where its position 4 and 5 lies between, that is inside the parallel lines. that is co-interior angles, isn't it? Inside the parallel line at the same side, left hand side of the transversal. So we can say it is co-interior angles. That's all. Just we should find which category of angles these are. They are given with property. We should name the type of angles. That's all. Okay. Yeah. Copy down the solution. See, that only given angle 1 equal to 5, pair of corresponding angles. Second one, pair of alternate angles. Third one, sum of interior angles is 180 degree. Okay. Question 2 very easy. In the given figure, identify the pairs of corresponding angles, the pairs of alternate interior angles, the pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, means co-interior angles. Yeah, sometimes directly they will not give this name. They will ask like this, the pairs of interior angles. Only they will mention interior angles on the same side, means co-interior angles. Got it? Here alternate interior angles, they will mention the alternate word, but co-interior angles they will not mention co, just they will mention interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Got it? So 3 angles we should find now, corresponding alternate interior angles, co-interior angles. Which are the pairs? Corresponding angles, yes, 1 and 5, 4 and 8, yes, below the parallel line 2 and 6, 3 and 7. Got it? Just we see the solution now. Wait. See, 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 3 and 7. Okay. Second part, the pairs of alternate interior angles. Only they are asking interior angles inside the parallel line, at the same time alternate side of the transversal. 3 and 5, 2 and 8. Only 2 pairs. They are asking, mentioned only interior. Okay. Next, co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. 2 and 5 is one pair, 3 and 8 is another pair. Got it? Yes. Copy down. Here one part of question missing, that is fourth part, vertically opposite angles. Okay. Fourth part answer, angle 2 and 4, angle 1 and 3, angle 5 and 7, angle 6 and 8. Copy down. Question 3. In the given figure, P parallel to Q, find the unknown angles. So in the figure, there are 2 parallel lines P and Q, one transversal given, and the angle measure also only one given, 125 degree. Using this angle, we have to find the remaining 6 angles using the properties. Okay. Yeah, now 125 nearest angle is E and F. First we will answer E. From that we can answer 5. But E and 125 are linear pair of angles, isn't it? Linear pair of angles are supplementary. How you find angle E measure? Yes, we should subtract from 180. That is the first step. You will get angle E measure is 55 degree. E and F are vertically opposite angles. They are equal, no? Yes. Therefore, angle F also 55 degree. Now, F and A are alternate interior angles, isn't it? Because they are lies inside the parallel line. A and F. F angle we know that 55 degree. A also 55 degree because alternate angles are equal. Got it? Next, angle A and C are vertically opposite angles. That also 55 degree. Got it? Next, angle A we know that 55. A and D are linear pair. Linear pair of angles are supplementary. We can use that property, or else E 125 and D, these two are above the parallel line. So corresponding angles are equal. isn't it? One angle measure is 125, another one also 125. Therefore, angle D is 125. Reason corresponding angles. Next, D opposite is B. They are vertically opposite angles. B measure also 125. Now, we got all unknown angles measures. Copy down. Yeah, just you have to be thorough with the properties and position of the angles. Easily you can find unknown angles. Yes, today's class we end up till this. Remaining problems we will continue in the next class. Thank you.